Okay, see here now. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, subdivision number 7. Okay, 7th subdivision. The question is, they have given two equations. First equation is 8 by x minus 9 by y. 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 1. And the another equation is 10 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 7. This is the second equation. So with these two equations, what you have to do is, we have to solve these given two equations and find the answer. So solving means we have to find the value of x and y, for which both these equations get satisfied. Okay, this is what we are going to do now. We are going to solve these two equations. First, for solving these two equations, what we have to do is, we have to convert it into the standard form. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. Like that we have to convert. Here, see, in this question, in the denominator, we have the variables x and y. So we have to first solve this. So simplify this. For simplifying, first I'm going to take 8 by x. Listen, I'm going to take this 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 1. So how to simplify is very simple. So this kind of sums, whenever the variable is at the denominator, listen carefully, ma. Whenever the variable is at the denominator, what you have to do is, okay, so 1 minute, no need to write the equation here. So let us take, okay, please don't write this, write solution and then we can start. Okay, listen now. Listen, ma, in the previous question, the variable is at the numerator, but here in the given two equations, in both the equations, the variables are at the denominator. If the variables are at the denominator, means we have to start the sum with put solution and then starts. Let 1 by x, listen carefully, 1 by x is equal to, we can take some other variable, that is small a. Okay, I'm going to take small a. So let 1 by x is equal to a, or any other variable, any other English alphabet also you can take. I'm going to take it as a, and 1 by y is equal to b. I'm going to consider like this. I'm taking 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Therefore, what we will get is 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 1, which becomes, okay, this is the given equation. 8 by x minus 9 by 1 is equal, 9 by y is equal to 1. This equation will become, listen, the meaning of 8 by x is, listen carefully, ma. The meaning of 8 by x is 8 times 1 by x. 8 times 1 by x is called as 8 by x. Yes or no? Because 8 into 1 is 8, so 8 by x will get. Likewise, minus 9 by y can be expressed as 9 times 1 by y, which is equal to 1. 9 times 1 by y is equal to 1. So next step is 8 times 1 by x. Now listen, this 1 by x is taken, we have assumed it as a, small a, the another variable a. Likewise, 1 by y we have taken it as b. So I'm going to replace now. So 8 times 1 by x is 8 times a. So that is 8 into a minus 9 times 1 by y is taken. Okay, yes, 1 by y is taken as b, right? We have assumed it as b. So 9 times b, which is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So we got 8a minus 9. Okay, 8 into a. 8 into a is nothing but simply we can write 8a. No need to, okay, mention this multiplication symbol. Okay, this is 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. See here. Now we got 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Please write up to this. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay, you can ask. Are you able to understand this up to this step, ma? How we are getting 8a minus 9b is equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, you can mute now. Okay, shall I proceed? Have you completed up to this equation number 1? Yes or no?
Completed, sir.
Completed. Now listen, ma. Now in the given question, the second equation is 10 by x. Okay, this is the given equation. Okay, second equation in the given question. 10 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 7. Okay, now again here also the meaning of 10 by x is 10 times 1 by x. So 10 times 1 by x plus 6 by y is 6 times 1 by y. This is the meaning, which is equal to 7. But the step which I am writing now, it is not a compulsory step. Directly we can write 10 by x as 10 into a. Okay, the meaning is 10 by x means 10 times 1 by x. Now this 1 by x we all know. Okay, we have assumed this 1 by x as a and this 1 by y as b. So 10 into 1 by x means 10 times a, that is 10 into a, that is 10a. I'm replacing this 1 by x by a. So 10a plus 6 into 1 by y. So 6 into 1 by y is taken as b, right? So 6b. So plus 6b is equal to 7. Now we got 10a plus 6b is equal to 7. Okay. So since the given equations are having, okay, the variable at the denominator, so we are converting that, okay, we are taking that 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Instead of 1 by x as a, you can take 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. It is up to you. Any variable you can choose from English alphabet, right? Now we got two equations. 8a minus 9b is equal to 1, that is equation number 1. And 10a plus 6b is equal to 7. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations by, first I'm going to solve it by using elimination method. Okay, 8a minus 9b is equal to 1 and 10a plus 6b is equal to 7. So for solving these two equations, right, we have to first check whether any variable, okay, these two equations are equations in two variables. Now the first variable is a, and we have to check whether the variable a in both the equations have same numerical coefficient or not. But here they don't have any, they don't have same coefficient. See here, the variable a having 8 as its coefficient in the first equation, as well as the variable a having 10 as its coefficient in the second equation. So both are different coefficients, not the same. Likewise, the variable b also have different coefficient. That is here minus 9 is there. The coefficient of b in first equation is minus 9, and the coefficient of b in second equation is plus 6. So here also different coefficients for b. Therefore, what you have to do is we have to make two equations with same numerical coefficient for any one variable. So which variable you have to choose, it is up to you. I'm going to make the equations, that is both the equations where the variable b, okay, I'm going to make the variable b having same numerical coefficient, because in equation number 1, the sign of, okay, variable b, that is minus 9, that is minus 9b, and the sign of b coefficient is for equation number 2 is, that is plus. It is plus 6, and here it is minus 9. So opposite sign means I will usually choose to eliminate that particular variable. So I'm planning to eliminate variable b from equation number 1 and 2. For that, what we have to do? We have to first make these two equations with same numerical coefficient for b. Okay, for that, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation number 1 with the coefficient of b from equation number 2. What is the coefficient of b in equation number 2? Anyone please answer me, What is the coefficient of b in equation number 2? 6. So what you have to do is you have to multiply equation number 1 with 6 now. You have to multiply equation number 1 by 6. What you will get? So whole equation, all the terms in the equation, both in left hand side and both in left hand side as well as right hand side, we have to multiply by equation number 1 is multiplied by 6. So what you will get is equation number 1 is 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. See here, 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. Now 6 into 8a. What is 6 into 8a? What is 6 into 8a, ma? It is 6 8s are 48, right? So 48a. Am I right? Now minus 48a minus 9. Okay, now 6 into 9b. What is 6 into 9b? 6 into 9 is 54, right? 54. So it will become 54b. So it will become 54b is equal to, right hand side of equation number 1 is 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. Yes or no? 6 into 1 is 6. So this is the new equation which we got by multiplying equation number 1 by 6. Where we got this 6? This 6 is the coefficient of b in equation number 2. Okay, this 6 is the coefficient of b in equation number 2. That 6 only we are taking and multiplying the whole equation number 1. Now, next thing is we have to multiply equation number 2 by the coefficient of coefficient of b from equation number 1. What is the coefficient of b in equation number 1? Leave this negative sign, just the numerical coefficient. What is the numerical coefficient of b? 9. So you have to take this 9 and multiply whole equation, that is equation number 2. Okay, now listen, I'm going to multiply equation number 2 by 9. Where I'm getting this 9 is, this 9 is the numerical coefficient of b from equation number 1. Now, what is 9 into 10a? 9 into 10 is 90. So it becomes 90a plus 9 into 6 is 54. So it becomes 54b is equal to 9 into 7. Okay, the right hand side we have 7. 9 into 7 is 63. 9 7s are 63. Now see here, we got two equations with the same numerical coefficient for one particular variable, that is b. See here, for b we have here also 54b, here also 54b, but with the opposite sign. Now these two new equation we have to add to eliminate the variable b. Okay, we have to add these two new equations to eliminate the variable b. So on adding, I'll write here on adding. It implies what we'll get is, what is 48a plus 90a? Is it 138a? Am I right? 138a. Now this minus 54b and plus 54b gets cancelled when we add. Okay, these two terms will get cancelled when we add. So this is equal to, now right side is 6 plus 69, 6 plus 63. What is 6 plus 63?
69.
69, very good. It is 69. Now we got 138a is equal to 69. Okay, I'll write it here. We got 130, again I'll write it here, 138a is equal to 69. Now we need to find the value of a. So for that, this 138a, the meaning is 138 times a. This 138, which is in multiplication, when taken to the opposite side, becomes division. So a is equal to 69 divided by 138. 69 divided by 138. Now we can cancel this. 69 ones are 69. 69 into 2 is 138. So we got the value of a. What is the value of a we got? A is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer for a. Please write up to this.
Completed, sir.
Completed, Amma. Good. Now, what we have to do is we have to substitute the value of a is equal to 1 by 2 in any one of the equation. Equation number 1 or 2 to find the value of b. Okay, so till now what we have did is we eliminated variable b to find the value of variable a. Now, with the help of this variable a, listen, next step is substituting. Okay, substituting a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. In equation number 1 or 2, which equation you want me to substitute? Substitute, ma. 1. 1. Okay, in 1. Now, which equation we are going to substitute? First, we have to write that equation now. So, equation number 1, which implies. So, what is equation number 1?
A minus 9b.
Sorry, 8a wa? 8a minus 9b, right? So, 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. 1. Now, in this equation, we are going to substitute the value of a. So, what we'll get is 8 into a, right? 8 into, in the place of a, we have to replace it by 1 by 2 because the value of a, we got it as 1 by 2. Minus 9 into b, which is equal to 1. Minus 9 into b is equal to 1. Now, we can cancel this. So, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So, what is the answer? 4 into 1 is 4. 4 by 1 is 4. So, 4 minus 9b is equal to 1. Now again, this plus 4 when taken to the opposite side because we have to find the value of b. So we can keep this b term in the left hand side. Now I'm moving this plus 4 to the right hand side. What we'll get is, next step becomes minus 9b is equal to, already 1 is there. This plus 4 when taken to the opposite side becomes minus 4. Becomes minus 4. So next step is minus 9b is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3, right? Because this is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 4 is opposite sign, means subtract and put the greater number sign. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and greater number is 4. The sign of 4 is minus, so we have to put minus sign. So minus 9b is equal to minus 3. Both the sides minus minus is there. We can cancel this minus on both the sides. Now 9b is equal to 3. We got 9b is equal to 3. Now we need to find the value of b. Therefore, b is equal to, here 9 is multiplication. 9 is in multiplication with b. When it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes division. So 3 divided by 9. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, because both 3 and 9 are multiples of 3. So cancelling using 3 table. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 1 by 3. We got the value of b as 1 by 3. Please write up to this step. If anyone of you want to scroll up, you can ask me now.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see here. Now we got the value of A and B. What is the value for A we got? 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Listen. Now, therefore, I'll write it like this. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to 1 by 3. Now, our aim is to find the value of X and Y because the given question involves the variables X and Y. Therefore, actually what we got is, we have taken 1 by X as A, right? What we taken is 1 by X is equal to A. Okay, this A we got. Okay, and what we taken is 1 by Y as B. Now we have to replace over here to find the value of X. Therefore, 1 by X is equal to, in the place of A, I can substitute 1 by 2. And here also 1 by Y is equal to B, right? So therefore, B is 1 by 3. Now see here, 1 by X is equal to 1 by 2 means we can equate the numerator and numerator, that is 1 is equal to 1 and denominator is X is equal to 2. Therefore, what is the value of X? Or else taking reciprocal on both sides. 1 by X is in the left hand side, 1 by 2 is in the right hand side. Taking reciprocal means 1 by X, the reciprocal of 1 by X is X, as well as right hand side is reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So therefore, X is equal to 2 we got. And taking reciprocal on both sides, so 1 by X, 1 by Y becomes Y by 1, that is Y, and 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1, that is 3. So therefore, the value of Y is equal to 3. The value of Y is equal to 3. This is the answer now. Hence, the value of X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 3. Please check whether this is the right answer for 7th subdivision.
That's true.
Right? Is it correct?
That's true.
Thank you. Okay. Next question is the same exercise 3.4. Question number 1, subdivision number 6. Here the two equations are given as X minus Y is equal to 3. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma.
Number 7, no need to do elimination substitution method.
Yes, we have to do. Sorry, I forgot to do. Shall we? Okay, first we will finish this. Okay, 6th subdivision elimination. Then both the questions I will do it in a substitution method. Okay. Okay, Mama.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now X minus Y is equal to 3 is one equation, and another equation is X by 3 plus Y by 2 is equal to 6. See, this equation is in the standard form. That is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. But here the constant is at the right side. Okay, no problem. So I'll write it again. So put solution. So the given equations. So first I'm going to write X minus Y is equal to 3. And I'm going to take it as equation number 1. Okay, no need to change anything. But the second equation given in the question, X by 3 plus Y by 2 is equal to 6, is we have to take LCM. Okay, so X by 3 plus Y by 2 is equal to 6. Now what you have to do is, because there are only two rational expressions, right? This is X by 3 is one and Y by 2 is another one. So how to do it is, simply we can multiply this 2 with this X and this 3 with this Y. So what we'll get is 2 into X is 2X, right? 2 into X is 2X plus this 3 into Y is 3Y whole divided by 3 into 2 is 6, which is equal to, right hand side we have already 6. Okay, this both the denominators you have to multiply and write it over the, okay, just okay, Mama, ipo paarenga. Next step, sorry. See the next step. Now we can take this 6 which is in the denominator to the right hand side becomes multiplication because the 6 is in division, right? So the next step is 2x plus 3y is equal to, this 6 is taken to the right hand side, means already 6 is there, so 6 into 6. So what we'll get is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 6 are 36. Yeah.
36.
Now this is equation number 2. So we got two equations. First equation directly we have taken as equation number 1, and the second equation we have just simplified. So equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 3, and equation number 3 2x plus 3y is equal to 36. Please write up to this one. Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. We have to solve equation number 1 and 2 by elimination method. See here. So solving 1 and 2. Now again see here. Both the equations have no, for no variable, that is for either for x as well as y, the numerical coefficients are not same. But for in equation number 1, the numerical coefficient of x and y are 1. Okay, but here the numerical coefficient of x is 2 and for y is 3 in equation number 2. So what I'm going to do is to make the numerical coefficient same for both the equations, I'm going to multiply both the equations by some constant. But in this question, in this particular question, no need to multiply any number for equation number 2 because the numerical coefficient of x and y in equation number 1 is 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by this 3 to make the, I'm planning to eliminate variable y. That is why I'm taking this numerical coefficient 3 and going to multiply equation number 1. Okay, because 3 is the numerical coefficient of y in equation number 2. That 3 I'm taking and multiplying the equation number 1. So equation number 1 into 3, which implies, so equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 3, right? So 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into y is 3y is equal to, already the right hand side is 3 in equation number 1. So 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. Now equation number 2, I can directly write, no need to multiply anything, any number, which means the meaning is the numerical coefficient of y in equation number 1 is what? What is the numerical coefficient of equation number 1? Numerical coefficient of y in equation number 1?
1.
1, because there is no numerical coefficient, that is 1. That 1 we are taking and multiplying equation number 2. That means nothing. Okay, anything multiplied by 1 is the same one we'll get, right? So 1 into 2x is the same 2x, plus 1 into 3y is plus same 3y, which is equal to 1 into 36 is the same 36. Or else directly we can write equation number 2. No need to mention equation number 2 into 1. Okay. Okay, that 1 comes from the variable, the coefficient of variable y in equation number 1. Now see here, we got the same numerical coefficient for y. That is here also 3, here also 3, and with the opposite sign. If opposite sign means what you have to do? You have to do an adding. You have to do adding. So on adding, what we'll get is 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. That is 0. When we add, okay, opposite signs and same, okay, term, it will get cancelled. That is minus 3y plus 3y is 0, right? So we can cancel this, which is equal to 9 plus 36. What is 9 plus 36? 45. So we got, very good. So we got 5x is equal to 45. So 5 into, listen, this, I'll write it one more time. 5x is equal to 45. Now listen carefully, ma. This 5, which is in multiplication, okay, when it is taken to the right hand side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 45 divided by 5. So now 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Therefore, x is equal to, what is 9 by 1? 9 by 1 is 9. Hence, the value of x is equal to 9 for this sum. Please write, ma. Please write up to this. Okay, listen now. Now, sorry, ma, 1 minute. Now we have got the value of x as 9, right? So therefore, substituting SUB in short, x is equal to 9 in equation number 1 or 2. I'm using substituting in equation number 1. So equation number 1, which implies x minus y is equal to, what is the value of x minus y is equal to in equation number 1, ma? 3. X minus y is equal to 3. Yes, 3. Now in the place of x, we have to replace 9. So 9 minus y is equal to 3. Now this plus 9 when taken to the opposite side, what will get? It becomes minus 9. So minus y is equal to 3. This plus 9 becomes minus 9. So what is 3 minus 9?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Very good. Now both the sides minus is that. Minus minus gets cancelled. So the value of y is equal to 6. Hence we got the value of y as 6. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 6. Therefore the solution of the given pair of equations. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 6. This answer we got it by elimination method. Okay. So please write. Now listen, the same question, we are going to do it now in using substitution method. Okay, please can anyone tell me what is equation number 1, ma? I want to write it over here. X minus y is equal to 3, right? Okay, so this is half of the sum is completed. That is x minus y is equal to 3 is equation number 1. And what is equation number 2 in the simplified form?
2x plus 3y equal to 36.
Yes, this is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations by substitution method. Substitution method means first see here which equation having very small numbers as coefficient for both the variables. That is x, equation number 1, because it is 1x minus 1y. Okay, that is simply x minus y. So I'm going to take equation number 1. So x minus y, equation number 1, which implies x minus y is equal to 3. For now, what I'm going to do is this is minus y, right? I can take it to the right hand side, it becomes plus y. So what we'll get is x is equal to this minus y when taken to the opposite side will becomes x plus y. So we'll get 3 plus y. So we got x is equal to what? 3 plus y. Now this x is equal to 3 plus y, we have to substitute in equation number 2 because equation number 1 is transformed like this. Equation number 1 is transformed into x is equal to 3 plus y. Now substituting x is equal to 3 plus y in this next equation, that is equation number 2. Next step. Please write fast. So substituting x is equal to 3 plus y or y. 3 plus y is same as y plus 3. I'll write 3 plus y in equation number 2. X is equal to 3 plus y in equation number 2. So which equation we are going to substitute? First we have to write the equation. Equation number 2, which implies this, it says 2x plus 3y is equal to 36. This is equation number 2. First write equation number 2. Okay, first write equation number 2. Now after writing equation number 2, now in the place of x we have to substitute the value of x, that is 3 plus y. I'm proceeding now. So therefore equation number, which implies 2 into x, right? This is x. So 2 into, in the place of x, I'm replacing this x, 3 plus y. So 2 into 3 plus y is plus 3y, which is equal to 36. That is equal to 36. So substitution method is very simple. We have to take one equation. In that equation, we have to keep one variable at the left side and the remaining variable to the right side. And that we have to use that and substitute in the another equation, right? So one equation you will get fully in one particular variable, in a single variable. Now what we will get is we have to multiply this 2 inside. So what is 2 into 3? That is 6. And what is 2 into y? So that is plus 2y. Distributive property. This is called as distributive property. Plus here we already have 3y is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. Now it implies, so this 6 when taken to the opposite side becomes minus 6. 2y plus 3y are like terms, so it will become plus 5y, which is equal to 36. This 6 when taken to the opposite side becomes minus 6. So 36 minus 6. So 5y is equal to what we'll get? 5 into y is 5y, that is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. Now the value of y is equal to this 5, which is in multiplication, right? And taken to the opposite side becomes division. So 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. What is 30 divided by 5?
6.
Very good. So y is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So 6 by 1 is 6. So we got the value of y as 6, the correct answer, in a different method. That is called as substitution method. Please write up to this. Shall we proceed, man? Next step. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to substitute this y is equal to 6 in equation number any equation. So substituting y is equal to 6 in equation number 1 or 2, I'm going to substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1, which implies x minus y is equal to 3. That is equation number 1. Now we have to substitute the value of y here. So x minus, in the place of y, I'm going to substitute this 6. So x minus 6 is equal to 3. Now this minus 6, which is in the left hand side when taken to the right hand side, we'll have x is equal to this minus 6 when taken to the right hand side becomes plus 6. So 3 plus 6. So the answer for x is equal to 9.
9.
Therefore, x is equal to 9. See here, in this method also we got the same answer. Hence the required solution. Okay, therefore the solution of the given pair of equations are, therefore the solution is, simply I can write, therefore the solution is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 6. Please write down. Okay, now, so we got the same answer for x and y. That is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 6 for this question number, subdivision number 6. Okay, now we have to do a substitution method for subdivision number 7. We have already finished that sum by elimination method. Now I'm going to do it for by substitution method. Now can anyone tell me what is the equation we got in the 7th subdivision? That is the reduced form in terms of a and b. What is it? 8a minus 9b. Yeah? Is it correct? My 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Yes. And the next equation is 10a plus
6
equal to 7. Thank you. Thank you. This is equation number 2. Now these two equations we already solved by elimination method. Now we are going to solve it by using substitution method. So for that, first I'm going to take equation number 1. That is 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. Now I'm going to take this minus 9b to the right hand side. I have already told you, choose any one equation, and in that equation keep one variable at the left hand side and the other variable, move the other variable to the right hand side. So I'm choosing here equation number 1, and I'm going to keep this 8a in the left hand side. I'm taking this minus 9b to the right hand side. So what we'll get is 8a is equal to 1 plus 9b. 8a is equal to 1 plus 9b. Now we have to listen. This is very, very important. This 1 minute, I will check. Okay, now we have to take this 8, which is in multiplication with this a, right? Also to the right hand side. Therefore, a is equal to, already 1 plus 9b is there. 1 plus 9b whole divided by this 8. Okay, this 8, when it is on multiplication taken to the opposite side, becomes division. So divided by 8. So therefore, we got a in terms of b. Okay, we got it by using the help of, with the help of equation number 1. A, we have expressed a, variable a in terms of b. Now we have to substitute this in equation number 2. Shall we proceed, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Now I'm going to substitute the value of a is equal to 1 plus 9b by divided by 8 in equation number 2. Listen now. So substituting, okay, substituting a is equal to 1 plus 9b divided by 8 in equation number 2. Because why we are substituting in equation number 2 means with the help of equation number 1 only we got a is equal to 1 plus 9b by 8. That is why we are substituting the value of a in equation number, the second equation, okay, in the next equation. So first we have to write what is equation number 2. I'll write it here now. So equation number 2, which implies, okay, equation number 2 is 10a, equation number 2 is 10a plus 6b is equal to 7. 6b is equal to 7. Now in this equation, in the place of a, I'm going to substitute, okay, the value of a. So next step is, which implies 10 times a, right? So 10 into a is 1 plus 9b divided by 8. This is the value of a. I'm replacing a by 1 plus 9b by 8 plus 6b is equal to 8. Plus 6b is equal to 7. Sorry, 7. Plus 6b is equal to 7. Now next is, we can cancel this 8 and 10 because they both have same common factor, that is 2. So 2 5s are 10 and here it is 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now next step is I can multiply this 5 inside. What is 5 into 1? 5 plus 5 into 9b is 45. 5 9s are 45. So 45b divided by, we have 4. Divided by 4 plus 6b is equal to 7. Plus 6b is equal to 7. Now we have to take LCM. So here it is simple. Okay, so we can write this 5 plus 45b. This 4 we have to multiply with the 6b. So what is plus 4 into 6b is 24b. 4 6 are 24. So 24b whole divided by the same 4 we have write it here, which is equal to 7. Which is equal to 7. Now next step. Are you able to understand these steps, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next step is, listen, we can remove the brackets. Okay. We can remove the brackets. So 5 plus 45b plus 24b. This 4 which is in division taken to the opposite side becomes multiplication, which is equal to, so 4 into 7 is directly I'll write, that is 28. 4 7s are 28. In the next step, I'm going to bring the 28 also to the left hand side. Okay, now I'm not going to bring this 28 to the left hand side. Instead, this plus 5, I'm going to take it to the right hand side. Now, what is 45b plus 24b? It is 40. It is 69b, am I right? Is equal
Yes,
to,
sir.
28 is already there.
Yes.
This plus 5, when it is taken to the opposite side, what will get? It becomes minus 5. So we got 69b is equal to 28 minus 5 is 23. Okay, that is 23. So we got 69b is equal to 23. Now therefore b is equal to 23. This 69 which is in multiplication taken to the opposite side becomes division. So divided by 69. Now 23 ones are 23. 23 into 3 is 69. Hence the value of b is 1 by 3. Is this the right answer, ma, for b? Please check. In the previous method also, yeah, we have to get. We should have
Yes,
got the same
sir.
answer.
It's
Okay, very good. So we got the right answer for B. So B is equal to 1 by 3. Please complete up to this. This, we have to substitute the value of B is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1 or 2. In equation number 1 or 2 to find the value of A. Okay, now I'll proceed now. So substituting B is equal to 1 by 3. 1 minute. Okay, now listen. Next step is substituting B is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. I am going to substitute. In equation number 1. Okay, what we'll get is equation number 1 is 8a minus 9b is equal to 1. In this equation, we have to substitute the value of b. So what we'll get? 8 into a minus 9 into b. In the place of b, I'm substituting the value of b, that is 1 by 3, which is equal to 1. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore 8a is equal to, okay, 8a minus 3 into 1 by 1 is 1, right? 1 by 1 is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, which is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Now next step is 8a is equal to minus 3 when taken to the opposite side becomes plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3. 8a is equal to 1 plus 3. Now what is 8a? 8a is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4. So a is equal to this 8 in multiplication taken to the opposite side becomes division. So 4 by 8. So a is equal to 4 by 8. What is 4 by 8? 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. The answer for a is equal to 1 by 2. Hence the value of a is 1 by 2. Okay, please write out to this. Okay, now listen, ma. We got the value of a and b. Now the last remaining steps are same, right? Because we have to find the value of x and y. The reason is the given question, okay, in the given question that both the equations are given in variables x and y. So our final aim is to find the values of x and y. Therefore, initially we have considered 1 by x as a, right? We have considered 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Now we have to find the value of x with the help of a and b. Now what is 1 by x? Therefore 1 by x is equal to the value of a, we got it as 1 by 2. And 1 by y is equal to the value of b, we got it as 1 by 3. Okay, yes or no? Now, if you have to take in reciprocal on both sides. Listen, I'm going to take reciprocal on both sides. So the reciprocal of 1 by x is x by 1, that is x, is equal to the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that is 2. So therefore the value of x is equal to 2. And the reciprocal of 1 by y is y. And the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Okay, taking reciprocal on both the sides. Therefore, the solution is, okay, the solution of the given pair of linear equations is, therefore the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Listen carefully, ma. This is the answer for this given equations. That is the seventh subdivision. Okay, now we have completed question number 7, subdivision number 7 in question number 1. Exercise 3.4, subdivision number 7 as well as subdivision number 6 by both the methods. Okay, by elimination method and substitution method. In both the methods, we got the same answer for x and y for both the questions, right? Question number 6 and 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you all understood this. Now, okay, in the next class, we'll see some different questions. Okay, now we'll close this class. Okay. Thank you for joining, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye bye.